chill ride at rental, love riding, exploring the beauty of the Philippines. With my motorcycle, you know what I mean. You can check my socials to see what I've seen, the things that I've done, the places I've been, the people I've met, the smiles and the grins, the tears and the laughs, the wins and the sins. I'm grateful to God. It all came from Him. Every day's an adventure, a journey. So welcome to the ride. Feel free to join me. So many blessings, so much to be thankful for. You got two wheels, get your motor running, go. If not, take the train, ride the bus, fly the plane. Get out, do something in the day. Try to escape from the matrix, the digital age. Cause I'm sick of the screen, sick of the page. It's a game and I'm not trying to play. It's a business and I'm not trying to pay. Let's go back to the way it used to be, before technology had control of you and me. I mean, tank hangs is cool, but I'm so old school. I'm like 20 years ago. I'm a motorcycle dude, born to be a wild child. Said it best when I said it before. I'm grateful to God. It all came from Him. Every day's an adventure, a journey. So welcome to the ride. Feel free to join me. Until I bless you, love riding, exploring the beauty of the Philippines. With my motorcycle, you know what I mean. I'm chill riding blank, sir. Chill riding blank, sir. I'm chill riding blank, sir. Chill riding blank, sir. I'm chill riding blank, sir. Chill riding blank, sir. I'm chill riding blank, sir. When I wake up in the morning, I'm thankful. When I get to sleep at night, I'm thankful. So many blessings, so much to be thankful for. I know I've said it before, you know I love God. Family, my friends, my fans, my motorcycle, the road, the ride, the journey, the adventure. Love God, family, my friends. Wheel hum soft on a coastal bend. The Pacific whispers, a traveler's friend. Palm trees bow in the morning light. A horizon burning, a rider's delight. Northern trails where the sea wind sings. Freedom rides on two-wheel wings. Camping under the starry dome. Northern summer feels like home. The roads are jagged, the hills are steep, yet they cradle the dreams I keep. A Bonfire crackles, the night turns slow. Stories told in its amber glow. No, the tides, they rise and fall. They're calling my name, I hear it all. Northern trails where the sea wind sings, freedom rides on two-wheel wings, camping under the starry dome. Northern summer feels like home. Through coconut groves and rivers wide, the engine hums, my constant guide. The chill ride dream, the open air, the road ahead without a care.